Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at the SAAV X1 Prebuilt Gaming PC Desktop, a budget-friendly gaming rig featuring an Intel Core i5, 3.4 GHz, 16 GB RAM, GeForce GTX 750, and a 512 GB NVMe SSD. Before diving in, make sure to check the link below for the best deals available today. Now, let's get into it. Decent performance for the price. The Intel Core i5, 3.4 GHz, processor, paired with 16 GB RAM, ensures smooth performance for basic gaming, streaming, and productivity tasks. It's great for casual gamers and users who need a reliable PC for everyday use. Video game, GTX 750, entry-level gaming GPU. The GeForce GTX 750, GDDR5, is an older but still capable graphics card for light gaming. You can play popular titles like Minecraft, CSGO, Valorant, and League of Legends at decent settings. However, for modern AAA games, you may need to lower the graphics settings. Rocket, fast storage and connectivity. With a 512 GB NVMe SSD, you get quick boot ups, fast game loading, and smooth multitasking. Plus, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth provide stable and fast wireless connectivity. Personal computer, Windows 10 and included accessories. The PC comes pre-installed with Windows 10, giving you a familiar and optimized experience. It also includes a mouse and keyboard, so you can start using it right out of the box. Should you buy it? If you're looking for a budget-friendly gaming PC for light gaming, school, work, or streaming, the SAAV X1 Prebuilt Gaming PC is a solid choice. While it's not built for high-end gaming, it's a great entry-level system for those getting started. Check the link below for the best deals and discounts available today. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome tech reviews. See you in the next one.